I thought space was just a dream. Then, I saw it. I felt it. In that moment, everything changed. Rome Taos Engineering and Technologies.
Do you dream of rockets, space, and engineering?
Because we do. Do you ever look up and wonder what's out there? This summer, we're building something real. In Rome.
A real aerospace engineering school where ideas become real.
At one of Europe's leading aerospace engineering schools. Innovation is everything.
We didn't just learn, we built our own rocket.
We simulate real space missions.
With world-class aerospace partners. I programmed it from scratch. It felt like being inside a real mission.
We explore aviation.
And aerospace engineering up close.
The tolerances here are incredibly tight.
They're building the future, and we gotta see it.
This is where the future is built.
Hi, I'm Alex, a systems engineer here. We're designing the next-gen satellite propulsion. It's not just about building.
This is the power supply module. We're connecting it to the flight controller now. We're using Arduino.
Our rocket! Our mission!
We meet the engineers.
Shaping the future of space.
Discover your passion.
Don't miss your chance. Join our 2-week summer camp. Apply now.